Good morning, guys. This is Amazon quiz winners list. How to check Amazon quiz winners? First, you have to go to menu, then click on Fun Zone. Then here you can see Lucky Draw Winners next to Play Now button. Play Now, click on it. You can select the month for which you have played quiz for, and here you can see the list of all the winners on each date of quiz. So I started playing quiz on 14th May. So I will check from that date, but here you can see it started and they have listed all the winners from 1st May to 30th May 2020. So you can go through each one of them. For example, I started playing on 14th May, so I click on it. You can see this two winners, Hasis Patra and Suraj Rahani. So you can see they both have won 20,000 Amazon Pay balance. So like this you can check for each date. Okay, thank you.